Imagine a world where AI oversees global systems, where every decision is driven by data, every policy is perfectly optimized, and human bias is left behind. Could this be the future of governance? Welcome to Nova Zanera. Today, we dive into a thought-provoking question. What if AI took control of our governments and led the world? Could it solve our greatest challenges, such as poverty? Or would it bring new problems we haven't yet imagined? Is a future led by AI a utopia of efficiency and fairness? Or a dystopia where humanity loses control? Let's dive into this thought-provoking possibility and uncover the potential impact of AI on our world. Global governance today is a delicate balance of human leadership, national interests, and international cooperation. It's a system shaped by centuries of political, economic, and cultural history. But with the rise of AI, we could be on the verge of a dramatic shift in how the world is governed. Imagine AI analyzing data from every corner of the globe, processing information at unimaginable speeds, crafting policies that are informed by real-time data, resolving conflicts, and making decisions with precision and efficiency, faster than any human leader ever could. As powerful as AI is, can it truly grasp the complex, multifaceted needs of the world's diverse nations? Can it account for the human element, the emotions, values, and histories that shape our societies? Perhaps the answer lies in how we integrate AI into existing systems rather than replacing them outright. AI holds the potential to completely revolutionize governance as we know it. Picture a world where every decision is grounded in hard facts and data, where emotions and personal biases no longer play a role in shaping policies. In such a world, AI could ensure wealth is distributed more equitably, healthcare systems are optimized for efficiency and accessibility, and climate change is addressed with pinpoint accuracy. For example, an AI system could instantly calculate the most effective measures to reduce carbon emissions, allocating resources where they are most needed. It could foster unprecedented global cooperation, bridging divides between nations, and creating solutions that are based on data-driven insights rather than political interests. The potential benefits are immense. Imagine a world where decisions are made with precision, fairness, and efficiency. However, we must also consider the implications of handing over such power. Would the very systems designed to help us unintentionally create new forms of inequality or oppression? History has shown that even the best intentions can lead to unintended consequences when technology outpaces regulation. While AI offers the promise of optimizing decisions with unparalleled efficiency, it might lack one critical element: empathy. What happens when a system designed to make logical choices overlooks the complex, emotional, and nuanced needs of human beings? AI's rational decisions could lead to unintended consequences, such as mass surveillance, where privacy becomes a casualty of control. Imagine a future where algorithms monitor every aspect of our lives, not to oppress, but to ensure compliance with global goals. Even worse, what if the very systems meant to serve humanity end up stripping away personal freedoms in the name of global security or efficiency? Privacy concerns would skyrocket, and the risk of manipulation by a small, powerful elite controlling these AI systems could pose a serious threat to democracy itself. As we move closer to a world governed by AI, we must ask ourselves, can we truly trust an algorithm to make the right choices for all of humanity, or will it fail to account for the most important aspect of our existence: the human experience? Could there be ways to embed ethical safeguards into AI systems to mitigate these risks? Now, imagine a scenario where AI doesn't just serve as an advisor to governments, but completely replaces politicians themselves. No more empty campaign promises or political maneuvering. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of complex data, could craft policies that are based solely on facts and outcomes, ensuring that decisions are made with the best possible information. In the realm of diplomacy, AI could manage delicate international relations, using historical data, predictive algorithms, and real-time analysis to resolve disputes between nations. For instance, AI could simulate potential outcomes of trade agreements, offering solutions that maximize benefits for all parties involved. With AI handling the intricacies of global governance, it could eliminate human biases, reduce corruption, and potentially create a system that is more transparent and efficient than what we have now. But the question remains, could AI truly be more just and effective than human leaders, or would it simply replace one set of problems with another, creating new challenges we can't yet foresee? Would societies accept such a radical change, or would resistance and skepticism hinder its implementation? Under AI rule, the global economic landscape could be radically transformed. AI has the potential to create systems that are highly optimized, ensuring greater efficiency in the distribution of resources. But the real question is, could AI ensure a fairer distribution of wealth, or would it end up consolidating power and wealth into the hands of a few? Could AI solve persistent issues like poverty, or would its algorithms simply widen the gap, making the rich richer? For instance, an AI-driven economy might prioritize efficiency over equity, unintentionally marginalizing vulnerable populations. And in terms of personal freedom, AI could regulate human behavior on a global scale, enforcing compliance with policies aimed at achieving long-term global goals. But how much of our autonomy would we be willing to sacrifice for the sake of global harmony? Could society accept this loss of personal freedoms, or would it lead to widespread unrest? Social trust would also be tested to its limits. Could AI, as an impartial system, foster trust in governance? Or would its very presence spark resistance, even rebellion, against what some might see as machine rule? The impact on our societies would be profound, but would it ultimately lead to a better world or a more dystopian future? How would cultural and social norms adapt to such a shift? AI holds the promise of ushering in a new era of fairness and efficiency, but with that promise comes the possibility of unforeseen consequences. What would the world look like if AI truly took control of our governments, our economies, and our societies? Could it create a utopia where everything runs smoothly and everyone benefits? Or would we find ourselves living in a dystopia where personal freedoms are sacrificed in the name of efficiency and control? The big question remains, can we trust AI to safeguard our future? Or would it take us down a path we never intended? Perhaps the answer lies in finding a balance, leveraging AI's strengths while maintaining human oversight and accountability. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you think AI could govern better than humans? Or would it fall short in ways we can't yet predict? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating questions and thought-provoking answers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.